Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You're literally the problem, lady! Dude, you didn't even stop at the stop sign!
Pretty late. We decided to keep on looking, so we drive for about another hour, going further and further into the woods. By this time it was getting a bit dark, and we were getting a little worried about finding a spot. We all had GPS on our smartphones, but none of us had.
We just, you know, the magic of Billy's show at the garden, it wasn't dancing girls or lasers, it was the fact that he treated it like it was the lounge at the Holiday Inn that just happened to have 20,000 people. When I talked to this one-on-one, I hate that song. I hate that song. It's a novelty song. It wasn't supposed to be a hit. You guys turned it into a hit. I hate that song. And someone yelled up, "You wrote it." And he yelled back.
Thank you. I was gonna ask, I'm like, we're not in my car. Oh shit. Is your camera on?
I think so.
I wonder if he like lost control.
Do me a favor and save the last two in the green bag for me, please.
Yeah.
Get your, what is you doing? Get in your, you in the wrong lane.
What?
You in the wrong lane, dumbass. You in the wrong lane. This is our lane. Go around. Thank you. You in? This is our lane.
I realized that was what she was going to do. But
yeah, but this is our lane. That's why you.
One more taking stargazing her otherwise.
Canceling voice recognition.
Wow.
You gotta be kidding me!
Go home on the road while your lady's sneaking out.
Go! You're gonna fucking go! Why are you braking? I just hurt my ankle really bad.
In the meantime, we need to start preparing younger workers for the job market that they're about to enter, because
The pace of technological change is now so rapid, some experts suggest that we might need to start rethinking our basic conception of a career.
The majority of people will end up having an episodic career. It's great to ask kids, for example, what do you want to be when you grow up? But
It looks good on you. It really does. Jesus Christ.
Trump.
Oh, dang.
Let's go buy one.
Flags.
Oh!
Oh my God, what is going on today?
This guy didn't even see it. That guy didn't even.
Oh, Jesus.
Yo!
Why did you get closer to him?
I didn't. I was pulling away from him.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.